are going to tell a story. An ant and a grasshopper are two good friends. They live in a grassy field. It is a sunny summer. The grasshopper is enjoying the sun.
He is dancing and singing happily. He does not usually the work. Now the ant is passing by the grasshopper. She is carrying on comes to her house. She is storing food for the winter. The grasshopper laughs at her and says, "Hey ant, why do you work hard all the time? Come and join me. Let's enjoy the sun." The ant goes her way and continue her work. After the summer, the winter begins. The days become very cold. The leaves start to fall everywhere. The grasshopper finds no food to eat. He starves and he becomes weak and sick. On the other hand, the ant has plenty of food. She is passing her time happily and her cozy home.
Work hard today to enjoy a better tomorrow.